You know what time it is, it's crypto time, and today we are going to be looking at very important updates as we do have more scroll information after minting our, NFT badge, whatever you want to call it. There are other things that you need to go and do. It is not too late to start earning for this scroll airdrop as we are in season 1. Only season 0 is finished. So get going with it. And we got public testnet that we need to go and interact with for future airdrop and many more. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. And the first thing is, let me know your scroll score down in the comment. Let me know how much you got in this number. And if you haven't minted, this is the link down below. You will find it, the first one. And it is a very important NFT minting for the scroll airdrop. It will serve as your score, as we see over here, as well as the reputation that you have on chain, how much you interact, and we're gonna go and see everything that you need to know. So make sure to join right now. If you do utilize the referral link, you get 50% discount. Otherwise, it is a little bit more expensive without the referral. So if you wish, the link is down below. You get 50% off. Once you get over here and you do all of them goodies, what you gotta do? Well, as we see over here to badge, we have the possibility to mint eligible badges, which is very, very important. So we click over here, and as we see, I personally have the Scroll Origins NFT and the Ethereum Year badge. These are very important, and by minting this situation with Scroll, you have the possibility to mint these badges. Now, this will give you more allocation for the airdrop, so it is important to jump in, because it will secure you and it will secure the protocol saying, hey, he did this and that. So you gotta make sure that, he gets the reward. So simply click over here on the minting budget. It is only gas fees, 19 cents. We go and mint this one, which is super, super important within the protocol. And it is less than gas fees. Once we mint this one, we can go and mint ourselves the other one. It takes a little bit of time simply because a lot of people are interacting with it, which is absolutely normal. Once it's gone through, you will have the possibility to have it within your wallet. As we see here, Scroll Origin NFT minted successfully. And then we go to the Ethereum Year badge. We mint this badge as well over here. And once you have the possibility, you will go and do it. Just try it again, try to reload it, try to do everything, as it is quite a, quite a lot of people are within this protocol right now, but make sure to go and do it. It is very, very important. Simply over here, mint eligible badges, join in Ethereum Year, mint the badge, and you are good to go. Following up, we got a very important update over on the Mint Expedition NFT public mainnet is up for grabs, and this is gonna be another airdrop, which it is point based. So I've already signed in, as we see over here. You can join through the link down below. You will be able to enter this mint chain situation. Once you have entered, you need to go and collect points. So you will find points on screen. And the easiest way to rank up points is to go to the task over here, and you gotta follow them on Discord, following them, as we see here, share over on Twitter, which is super, super easy, and you see how many points you've done it. Once you sign up, let's go and talk about the important things. We see here airdrop, this voice over here. Let's go and click on it, and you will be redirected to this mint protocol over here. Now, as we see here, they will allocate 12% of the total mint token supply to mint ID stakers, which you can stake right now for 0.3 ETH, which it is approximately, more or less $750, $800 as of right now. So it is a bit pricey. They then have the green ID holders and the Mint Expedition users. Now with the green ID holders, as we see over here, it is free to go and get it. And also the Mint Expedition users are free to do all of the quests. I already have 2,200 points. And I've just started, and we are at the very first base, kind of like what the Linea situation, the Linea Park situation was. So we're going to start right now with the Explorer base over here. We got to do a bridge, which gives you points, so make sure to go and utilize their bridge as well. If you do not have funds in the Mint, you will not have funds in the Mint ecosystem, so this is a great way to start. You can do it from any protocol, from Scroll, from Ethereum, from Arbitrum, from ZK, anything. We got the Mint mainnet commemorative. All of these are super, super easy, as well as creating your own NFT collection, which if you want to check out mine, it's just a thumbnail of my video. We'll leave a link somewhere down below, but it's not important. You go and create yourself a super easy one. Simply click over on Go. You will have the possibility over here, NFT to me, for example, which is the easiest one. Go to education over here, to the edition, sorry. Give it a project name. It will give you automatically the symbol. Give a description, put a photo, as we see over here, for example, anyone from yesterday's video, no, this is this one, for example, over here, and you will be able to deploy on Scroll, or simply from Scroll over here, you can go and change it, and all you gotta do is mint over on Mint. So look for Mint as we see over here, and we got it right here. Make sure to switch up from Scroll to Mint or anywhere that you are to Mint and deploy it to Mint. And this is how you get this airdrop voice over here. You will collect points, hold an active green ID. Now, for when it comes to the airdrop, most likely, yes, people will get a bigger allocation if you go and get yourself a Mint ID, but the floor price is quite high. So what they're doing right here is they're giving the possibility to do both of them, a free way as well as a supportive floor NFT way. So it's up to you which one you are going to collect, but to start up and to join, it is absolutely free. So make sure to join my community if you wish to support me as well through the referral link down below. Thank you very much. Otherwise, do not worry about the referral link and just go to mint.chain, but you will get extra point with a referral link, as this is a way for them to help creators as well as helping you. But make sure you go and do all these missions. There will be new ones in the future that I will take for you. Absolutely, yes. Very, very important. And yes, after that, we got a new NFT from Rainbow Wallet over here. Now, Rainbow is well known for giving out airdrops over on their wallet, and this is another way to receive more airdrop allocation. They already give out a weekly Ethereum airdrop allocation to all the users on the Rainbow wallet, and this is another possibility for the airdrop later on as well. It is just came out now. It is brand new. So make sure to go and mint it. You can mint it on any chain that you want as well. I will leave the link down below, whether it is Base, OP, Arbitrum, whichever you want. Make sure to go and do it. Change over the network to the one that you want to go, whether it is Zora, whether it is Arbitrum, whether it is whatever you want. Simply click over on Mint and you will be redirected over here. You will have the possibility, as you see, it is a $2.62 NFT mint, which is very, very cheap to go and do it. Simply click on confirm and you are good to go, and you will receive it within your wallet, and you are good to go and earn yourself another airdrop. This is the official Rainbow wallet, as we see over here. We have gone and mint a couple of days ago the Rainbow Ethereum rewards, 24,000 rewards. As you see over here, a lot of them are farmed later. So make sure to jump straight ahead as soon as they go out. And this is the new one. If you gotta make a choice though, if you only have X amount of money to spend and you gotta choose between, for example, the Rainbow Wallet NFT for the Rainbow airdrop or the Scroll one, make sure that you do, I would suggest you the more important one is the Scroll one. If you gotta pick one, stick with Scroll, and Rainbow Wallet, you could do it another day, but the Scroll one, super important, and it is absolutely essential that you do it for the Scroll NFT. Whether you participated before, even more important, but if you haven't participated in the Scroll one, you can participate as of right now. You can join with this new quest that they've got going on and the badges, etc. Following up, we got an important update over for Owto Finance. So if you go over to Owto Finance, you will have two new updates. And by the way, Owto, it is the best platform if you need to go and have funds in Scroll to start off your Scroll journey and minting your NFT over here. Owto is the cheapest one. You can do it through any platform literally to Scroll. Very, very important. Make sure to use it. I will leave it down below. And with this one, you are farming the Owto airdrop as well as the Scroll airdrop. So two airdrops in one. But they got, first of all, a new point task, which will give you an additional 750 points for the airdrop. It is a point-based airdrop. If you go and breach 2 Alien X, super important. So make sure to go and do them. As you see here, I have already done them all. I've done all 3 steps. But then one important thing is that they also have, if we go over here to their Twitter, we can see it even better. So let's go and check them out over on Twitter. I saw some people that were saying that I do not see it in the proper way. So I'm sorry if I don't say correctly, but I call it Owto Finance. And as we see over here, they got the Amazing Summer Edition. So what are we looking at right here? Well, aside from the quest to Alien X, we have the possibility to join a situation for the summer, which will give you, as we see over here, Amazing NFTs for the top 1,000 Owtos, which are weekly Owto points ranks. It's not the main leaderboard. So even if you are to start now, you can start with the Amazing situation. And all you gotta do, as we see over here, is to go and make bridges, collect points through the point system. Absolutely fair and square. The more bridges you do, the more possibility you have to earn the airdrop, top 1000 will earn it. So there's not many people at all that are farming it as of right now. I'm ranked 65 with 3 breaches only. So make sure to go and grab yourself this Owto situation as well, which is super, super important. Following up, we got a testnet to go and talk about, but as I see a lot of people saying, oh, you never talk about the testnet, you never talk about this and that. Well, we are talking now about a testnet, so make sure to listen closely. We gotta go and collect the wallet as we see over here. We can do it with the Phantom, with the XOKX, and whichever. Let's go to the MetaMask wallet as we always do, and we will be able to click on confirm, sign the messages, want you to sign, approve that you're account owner. The request will not trigger any blockchain transaction, which, by the way, we are going into a situation of the testnet. So once you've done this, you will be redirected to the main page, and you can go here, switch network to the Plume testnet situation, which you will have to do it over on your MetaMask. Once you've done that, it is super important, as we see over here, the Plume testnet, you will be redirected, approve this one. We are going into an approved situation. You will be redirected to the page. Now, depending on the Wi-Fi situation that you're at, it could load or it could give you problems. So make sure to go and check out as well, for example, the, your phone hotspot, which you can connect to, or simply go and check out for another website. But this one, it is a very important. Once you're in, I've already done it as I was connected to my phone hotspot. Now I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi. Go and do swaps, go and do transaction, and it is all on a testnet. You do not need to worry about it. Following up, we got a Mochaverse update. Now, if you have followed me for the past couple of months, you will see from my Twitter over here that I have publicized quite a few videos regarding the, for example, the PAC situation, the PAC token over here. And you were about to create some informational videos on Twitter, some photos, etc. And I've done that, and I've also done one where there was a collaboration between PacMoon and, for example, the Mochaverse token. Now, very important for the Mochaverse token, if you have done that, you will find over on your Ethereum wallet, if you go and look at your Ethereum wallet over here, you will find 493 or above token of the Mocha one. This is because of the collaboration between the Mocha and PacMoon. I will leave you link. I will not leave you link down below. You will find down below in the description the token address for Mocha to go and check if you have received it or not as a free airdrop. I personally received, as you see here, about $50 of airdrop. Some people also receive $300, $350 worth of airdrop. So definitely it was a juicy airdrop to simply create some content like I do over on Twitter. For example, this one was about PAC and many others. It was definitely something nice to go and create. So go and check it out. Following up, we got an update again for the Mint chain that you can get yourself a smart layer cut. So with this, the smart cut community becomes eligible for the Mint blockchain airdrop, a flat 50% APR on their stake SLN or the smart layer token, and a sweet Mint cut playable token, which if you click through the link here, you will find it down below. You will be able to go and get yourself this minting over here. The claim of the Mint cuts will start in 9 days. There's 2 options: Mint cuts NFTs plus 50% APR, or simply Mint cuts NFT, hold smart cut NFT, or cut Luft NFT, as I do have. And if you followed my previous video a couple of months ago, you will have your smart cut as well. So simply click over here on verify, which you are signing simply through the wallet. You're able to go and verify your wallet as we see over here. Join the Mint Discord, and once again, follow Mint Cuts on X. Absolutely free. As we said, this was all for free as well when we've done it. 3 out of 3 completed requirement. You are now eligible to mint your Mint Cut NFT on the 25th of July. Easy peasy. Make sure to follow the steps and you are good to go. Following up, another update is about the Glazer airdrop. This is a free-to-earn airdrop, and once you go, I will leave you the link down below. There is a referral situation if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. It is a easy and free-to-earn airdrop situation. As we see over here, my community stands at 136 people. That is absolutely for free to go and do it. All you gotta do is launch the app, create a database, mint the NFT, and then complete some Galaxy quests. And when you go and do this one, it's absolutely easy. If you go back 3 videos from this one, you will find on my page how to do it. I've done a step-by-step tutorial on the video where you will find this icon on the thumbnail. Make sure to go and watch it. There is a step-by-step documented process on how you're able to go and grab yourself this airdrop. But it's super simple. Through the link down below, sign up, complete the quest. Everything is written over there. Complete the quest. You will find on the top mint NFT. Let me go and see if I can find it right now, but I do not. It is, oh no, it is here. Database, I believe it is. It is not somewhere, but I have posted it a couple of days ago, so make sure to go and check that out. Complete the NFT, create the database, complete the task, and you are good to go. I will try to attach it at the end of this video if I find the tutorial for it. So if you do see a longer video, there is a tutorial for this exact step at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Following up, we got a update on the Milk Tia airdrop situation. Now, there is not a Milk airdrop as of right now, but a second Milk Tia airdrop multiplier badge is out. And as we see over here, check below if you are eligible and claim the first or second bag of carton. I personally will not be eligible for this one, but it is here. 2 Milk Tia or more will receive a carton. So if you stake Tia and then you went to stake Milk Tia as well within the ecosystem of the Tia of the Celestia ecosystem, you will receive this NFT multiplier. Once again, NFT badges, NFT multiplier are playing a big role when it comes to the possibility of an airdrop. That is why I'm telling you, do not miss the scroll one, do not miss the rainbow one, do not miss the mint one, do not miss all of these situations because they are very lucrative for all of you. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, leave a like, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao.